Hello crypto lover, this is Agros. In this video I wanna show you what is the DeFi and how risky is in it. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. What is DeFi? DeFi applications aim to create traditional financial systems, such as banks, exchanges, with cryptocurrency most run on the Ethereum blockchain. The difference is that DeFi apps operate without a central service exercising control over the entire system. Through DeFi lending, users can lend out cryptocurrency like the traditional bank does with fiat currency and earn interest as a lender. Borrowing and lending are among the most common use for DeFi applications. There are many more increasingly complex options too, such as becoming liquidity provider to a decentralized exchange. However, these factors also contribute to why DeFi is much riskier than traditional banks. How risky of an investment is it? It is important to understand that investing in DeFi is highly risky. I think every DeFi protocol and every DeFi project has a different level of risk and different level of reward. It is important to understand the reason the reward is high is because the risk is higher. The reason we see high yield is there is risk here. There are three major types of risk to consider. 1. Technology risk. 2. Asset risk. And 3. Product risk. Technology risk. Smart contracts are collocations of code that carry out a set of instructions on the blockchain are essential for DeFi applications to run. But if there is an issue with the developer's code, then there could potentially be weakness within a DeFi protocol. At the end of the day, the software is only as good as the coding that was done, and sometimes there are unknown errors in the code that governs these protocols. Number 2, asset risk. When borrowing on the DeFi application, you typically offer other crypto assets owned as a collateral. For example, DeFi protocol maker requires borrowers to their loan 150% of the loan value at minimum. Since cryptocurrencies are volatile, their value frequently fluctuates. If there is downturn, the crypto assets used as collateral may sharply decline in value, and some may see their position liquidated. That's why some use stablecoins, which are supposed to be pegged to fiat and be less volatile. 3. Product risk. Typically, less major pools or newer protocols will have higher yield because they're untested. There is a significant amount of risk related to how the yield your earnings is being generated. It's also important to note that unlike with a traditional bank, there is no regulation or insurance on your money when you use DeFi. Though DeFi loans are crypto assets, borrowers using DeFi protocol cannot be held accountable. Otherwise, if they are unable to effectively pay back loan. These risk factors are in part why experts warn to invest only what you can afford to lose and recommend conducting thorough research before buying in. What should beginners know? If you decide to invest in any DeFi applications, the first thing you should do is vet the applications you are exploring to make sure they are secure and well audited. When you are choosing underlying networks such as blockchain protocol or exchange, looking for one that isn't controlled by a small group of players, can handle heavy user demand and has affordable transaction fees. DeFi is growing so fast and yields are so high that opportunities can feel too good to be true. When in doubt, trust your gut or looking for more objective members of the community with the technical expertise to truly review the code. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.